Happy New Year and welcome to She Vets It. I'm your host, Althea, and this season 5 of She Vets It. 5 years. And honestly, saying that out loud feels so surreal. This season feels different, not just because it's a new year, but because it marks 5 years of building, listening, learning, and showing up for veterans, especially women veterans in spaces where our voices matter. And sis, if you're listening to this right now, I want you to know something. You are in the right place. I like to say I'm your favorite veteran bestie. And what that really means is this: I got your six. No matter where you are, California, New York, Texas, overseas, or anywhere around the world, if you need information, perspective, resources, or just someone who understands the veteran experience beyond the uniform, I got you. But She Vested has always been bigger than me. It's about understanding the journey. A little about me and the why. I'm a combat veteran, and my path into the military wasn't traditional. I joined at 39, married with 5 children, and more than 20 years of professional experience already behind me. Before the military, I ran a chamber of commerce, worked in public policy research, led quantitative and qualitative studies, and even spent time in TV and film. And yes, TV and film absolutely prepared me for the military. Anyone who worked on set knows about hurry up and wait. You arrive at 6 in the morning, filming doesn't start until 2, and you may not leave until midnight. Long days, long nights, high pressure. Sounds familiar? I've always wanted to join the military, even back in high school, but life kept intervening. Then came the recession around 2006. Jobs were scarce, people were being laid off, and I made a decision. I didn't want to live life in regrets. So I prayed about it. I joined. I went to boot camp. I went into aviation. And after an injury, my path shifted again. And that's something we don't talk about enough. How often veterans are required to adapt, pivot, and redefine themselves. What season 5 is all about. This season is intentional. Yes, you'll still hear from incredible guest speakers, but you'll also hear more from me, more reflections, more context, more honesty about transition, identity, and purpose, and building something meaningful after the service. In this episode, I'll be sharing how She Vets It have really got started and why. Not the highlight reel, but the heart behind it. So whether you're newly transitioning, years removed from the service, are still trying to figure out what's next, this season is for you. Sis, we're just getting started. Welcome to season 5 of She Vets It. How She Vets It was born. After sustaining a traumatic brain injury in Germany, I moved to Virginia for medical care. It was there I realized I would be medically retiring from the military. And I knew I needed to be around people who understood my experience, who didn't require explanation to grasp the realities of service, loss, and transition. So I started a simple meetup group, just a few women to go to lunch, catch a movie, or connect. Nothing fancy, no big vision, just connection. The same day I received my DD 214, a media consultant for a Hollywood actor found my group and invited us to the Kennedy Center for a live ABC taping. The actor was sharing his book in the support of the military community. And I thought, God, I hear you. Shortly after, Vanessa Guillén's family reached out to me in my Instagram DMs to share information and help find her. It was at these moments I realized that She Vets It was bigger than connection. It was about advocacy, visibility, and building intentional community.